up, you guys? I'm Em, better known as Broadway Girl 603 on my social media accounts. By no means am I any type of beauty guru or know anything about makeup except for the fact that I know what I like and I put it on my face every day. I kind of want to use this channel just to try to figure things out along the way. I'm a big fan of Graveyard Girl and Jenna Marbles, stuff like that, and I always enjoy watching them try out new things on their channels, but I'm kind of envious at the same time because I like to do that too. So today I have this face mask here by Scinic or something Scinic. It's the moist wrapping face mask that has this little liquid thing right here. It's a two-part face mask. I'm not necessarily a fan of putting on the sheet masks on my face, but when I saw Graveyard do this a while ago, a Graveyard Girl, correction, sorry. When I saw her do this a while ago, I thought it was really cool, but I also wanted to try it out on my own. I'm gonna take off all this face makeup right now, and we'll get to that. So I'm back. I just washed my face. I took everything off except for my eye makeup just because I really don't feel like looking like a translucent ghost on here yet. You guys don't know me that well, but trust me, it ain't pretty. So I was looking over the instructions, and the first step it says to take the little moisture packet right here and apply that onto my face. And I guess the second part is that we're gonna put the actual rubber lady face on top of my face. Kind of Silence of the Lambs type of feel there. Love it. Oh, they have a nice little peely thing right here. God knows I can't do that, so we're just gonna rip that off. Oh, nice and easy. It says just to dab it on my face, but I'm gonna grab this nice little brush thing here. It's kind of crunchy, kind of crispy. Ooh, ooh, look at that. Isn't that nice? Do this. I ain't no beauty-matician. Oh, kind of smells nice, kind of smells like nothing. This is actually, so far, this feels really hydrating already. This is kind of nice. I don't know if I should stare right in the camera or right in my mirror because I am in my bathroom right now. I think I use all this because there's no saying that this is for multiple use. But this is kind of starting to burn. Don't know if it's just because I washed off my face and dried it off with a very abrasive towel. The stinging is kind of going away. It just kind of feels like nothing's on my face. It keeps giving me more. This seems like excessive, but I appreciate when face masks give you more to work with than less. That's just about done. So the next step to this fabulous mask, I'm covering her face. Why would I do that? She looks so good. Okay. Oh, why am I not strong? This is why I never went out for sports. This is really wet. Okay. I don't know what I expected. I usually use like face masks that come in a jar. Oh, I'm already messing this up. Okay. Put this on my face. Wow, I feel like the Phantom of the Opera. How nice is this? Now we're gonna take the second piece of the chicken. Put the, oh, this is like Silence of the Lambs. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, wow. So I'm supposed to let this wait 30 minutes? I guess I'll see you in 30 minutes. So it's been about 25 minutes wearing the Scinic dual rubber mask, and they say that you can wear it up to 30 minutes, but I decided to stop at 25. Let's take this off. Ooh. Ooh. So if we take this off, I can definitely see where I missed some of my makeup with this, but I know I'm supposed to wash this off, but my face now is starting to feel warmer than it was. I don't know if that's an okay thing. I'm gonna rinse this off and then we're gonna get to the full review and then we'll wrap up this video. Sounds good? Sounds good. So I just washed off the serum from the mask I must say my face feels a lot smoother and more hydrated at the moment. I'm not sure if I'd go as far as to say that I would replace my Glam Glow products for this or even my Lush products, but I would go as far as to say that I would replace any sheet mask type of products with the Scinic Dual Rubber Mask. I do think that it did definitely work, but I'm not sure if it's something I would use every day or every week, however often you're supposed to be using these type of products, but I definitely liked it. I thought it was a very cool thing to try out. I would get it again. I do recommend it if you're looking for something fun to do with facial products and masks. It's definitely entertaining. I do recommend it. If you found this video at all entertaining or helpful, give it a like down below. Subscribe to my channel at Broadway Girl 603. Just the way you see it here, also on Twitter and Instagram. It's been a lot of fun putting out this video for you, and hopefully I have more material to give you guys later, but in the meantime, thank you for watching. I'm Broadway Girl 603, and have a great day, you guys. Bye!